Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Breakfast with the Biz. Biz back with you guys, and I'm going to bring to you another hot sauce review this morning, and I'm going to probably bust out 10 more reviews this morning, or today. I have absolutely nothing to do. It's raining outside, and it's the story of my life. So, anyways, what we have here today is you have a hot sauce that I got sent to me by my good friend Al Burns. Now, everybody wishes they had a friend like Al Burns, but I do. And Al, thank you for sending me this sauce, friend. Me and Al, we share stuff, all the time. Talk daily. Hell of a guy. Great guy. What we have here, we have the Chili's Fire Pit Hairy Canary. It's a fatalii sauce. And I'm having a hairy canary of a time, so... this here is the winner of the 2007 Fiery Food Challenge. As you can see the label. There's the heat scale. And ingredients: vinegar, the fatalii pepper, sugar, fatalii pepper powder, garlic powder, lemon extract, and xanthan gum. Tommy Two-Tone said, got that gum in it, boy. I don't see any .com for this sauce, so maybe you could just Google it. Hottest place in Lake County. I'm gonna say that this is coming out of Ohio, if I remember correctly. Al said he was sending me something from his hometown, showing some hometown love. It says 300,000 Scovilles. The sauce will ruffle your feathers. Got a medium-based consistency to it. And I'm going to see if I can peel this sticker off because I want to keep it. Just don't want to destroy it. Because maybe I could be the winner of the 2007 Fiery Food Challenge. In one of my made-up fantasy days. Can wear this around and be like, yeah, I won this. Or maybe I could just add it to the Ring of Fire and start adding all the winners that I got. Like that. Well, we have this morning, I got some eggs, as I stated, in Breakfast with the Biz. You can see the consistency of it. It looks like it's thick and it's got a bunch of pepper chunks in it. First initial smell, vinegar. Second initial smell, garlic. Then you got the peppers. Trying to see what, and I'm gonna guess that this is straight up powders or fatalities in there. As I'm gonna dump it on these eggs. It doesn't have the real yellowy fatalii look to it. I do have a spoon as well, which I'll give you a view of both. And it has a runny consistency, but it's chunky at the same time. So there you have it. Nothing, I don't got no special breakfast this morning, just some eggs to do this review. As you can see, what I mean about they got the stuff in it. So that's what I was talking about. It's got almost like it has a pulp in it. And I'm gonna guess that that's the peppers. So anyways, here we go. The Chili's Fire Pit Hairy Canary hot sauce from my friend Al Burns. Oh wow, that's good. That's real good. It's got a hotness and almost a sweetness, and it's got the tang of the vinegar. Right up front, it's hot. Like immediately, as soon as it hits your tongue, it's hot. Nothing stupid hot. Oh wow! One of them sauces that you want to give it for a little loop around your mouth, so every taste bud you got gets a whack at it. You know what I mean? Remarkable. I don't know where to find the sauce at. I'm gonna have to get a hold of Al and I guess put it in my link down below. But man, dynamite sauce. Full flavor, full body flavor. Now it's got my tongue burning, nice coating. Nothing on the outsides. Straight up on the back, straight up on my tongue. Even though I've been working it around, the heat's concentrated on the taste buds on the tongue. It does have the pulp in it. Now it is a little hotter straight up like that in the spoon. Nothing tremendously hot, but you get the more taste of the pulp when it's by itself. And boy, that's some good stuff right there. I really like this sauce. It's phenomenal. It's got the medium consistency. It's got the pulp. It's got the heat. It's got the tang of the vinegar. $300,000, maybe. I don't know. I'm no expert on the heat levels. That's why I quit giving numbers and stuff. They tend to throw people off because I can eat stuff that people can't. So I'm just giving you my outtake and my opinion on the sauce. My opinion on the sauce is it's a good sauce. It has straight tongue burn, nothing in the throat, nothing on the sides of my mouth. Even with the spoon, everything is on the tongue, straight up on the tongue. Like I said, you can taste the fatalii in it. You can taste the garlic in it, and you can also taste the vinegar, which I love vinegar. I don't know how anybody could not love vinegar. But yeah, dynamite sauce. And of course, Al's not going to send me no bullshit. He knows, and I know what to send him. If we're sending someone each other something, it's going to be good. But yeah, definitely a great sauce. It captures the flavor of the pepper nicely with the garlic and the vinegar. And you can see it's pulpy. I've never seen that really in a hot sauce that's almost looking like orange juice with the pulp, you know what I mean? So there you have it. Chili's Fire Pit, Hairy Canary fatalii sauce. And I want to thank you for tuning in with Breakfast with the Biz. And I'm going to sign out for now, and I will see you next time.